during those 5 years, I asked the Lord, Lord, remove the feelings because it's already so draining. Pagod na ako maghintay, pagod na umasa, pagod na magmahal na hindi naman ako sinusuklian. So Lord, kung talagang hindi si Maloy ang kalooban para sa akin, take away the feelings because it's already a very heavy cross for me to carry. But the Lord never removed the feelings, but He always showed me His Word. Na yun yung 1 Corinthians chapter 13, yun, love is patient, love is kind, love is long-suffering.
One of the things that convinced me with Winnie's courting me is that, sabi ko, sa lahat ng mga nagpakita ng interes sa akin, eto, talagang long-suffering, pursuing yung love niya. Kaya nung sinabi ko sa nanay at tatay ko, bago ko siya sinagot, sabi ko, Nay, tay, sasagutin ko na po si Winnie. Sa overseas call din yon. Sabi ng tatay ko, si Winnie? Hanggang ngayon, nililigawan ka nun? Sabi ko, opo eh. Sabi niya, abay, sagutin mo na, TL yan talaga.